Hey everyone, this is M Reviews, back at it again with our next video. If you're new here, we post review videos on baby, toddler, children items. We're going to start incorporating household items. And this is where you can find unboxing, assemblies, whatever feedback that you're looking for, we have it here. And if there's something that you want to see that we don't post about, let me know down in the comments and I can do my best to make a video on it. So today we're going to be setting up and reviewing the Summer by Ingenuity, the My Size Potty Pro. It's a 2-in-1 potty training system that you can use for your child. And today we're just going to get into that assembly, show you guys how it looks. This is running for about right now, I believe like 25 bucks on Amazon if you wanted to have that. Even if your kid can't, I think it's on sale. So even if your kid can't use it quite just yet, if you want to have it at home just to, have here, especially if you get it on a good deal. No harm in doing so. So that's the box. That's everything that came in the box. It comes with a manual. And these are the parts that came in it. So I'll put everything up so you guys can see. So we have here the toilet seat that arrived. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys get a better view. Okay, toilet seat. This is the entire toilet. So it's going to be really low to the ground. Because obviously, your home toilet has the base for it to stand on. But this is a child, so you won't need any step tool for the child to sit on or anything to climb onto to get there. So these have hinges that are going to need to be set in place so we can lock this in place. So let's get this. Let me unwrap everything and then we'll go ahead and set it up. Again, if you're new to my channel, I post content about reviews. If there's anything that you'd like to see, just let me know. Or any questions that you might have. Or any suggestions on videos that you think would help the page or help you be more interested. Definitely would love to hear that. Okay, so these are all the parts. As much as I hate the manual, seems like I'm going to have to open it today just to get an idea of what I'm doing. So we're going to flip to the pages where the instructions come in. So, okay, it shows you right here. This is page 15. So page 15 has all the components of it. It shows it in different languages for whatever language you might need it in. So the assembly, let me see if there's a written instruction of the assembly. Yep, nope. I don't think there's written steps. It just says assembly. So I don't know if they think it's pretty self-explanatory, which is why they didn't do that. Yeah, nope. There's just a warning. So if that's a deal breaker for you, at least you have this video. So you can still get the product. There's no assembly instructions. I just want to make sure that I'm giving the correct information. Yep, there's no assembly products or information. So we're just going to go ahead and do it the way. You're going to need AAA batteries so that you can do the flush, the toilet flush. So let me see if I can grab that. With AAA batteries, there's always one that gets away. So one got away. I have one, missing another one. So, I can always show you how the toilet flushes. Maybe towards the end, I can try to run and grab a battery from the room. So I'll do that at the end. So in case you don't want to sit and listen to it, wait for that, you can just, in the video. But we're going to go ahead and try to set this up. So let's see here. So this is the bottom part of the toilet. Let me move my hand so you guys can see everything as I do it. Okay. So this is the bottom part of the toilet. This will go at the bottom when you're setting it up. It has little stoppers at the bottom. This is the bottom. And we're going to add this piece. Let's see which way they usually do it. Looks like it got added this way. And it looks like it's supposed to snap into place. So let's see if we hear a snapping noise. Yep. I don't know if you guys heard that, but Yeah, I would just go around and make sure you snap all the pieces because connecting it is not enough. So you don't want your child to fall, but just make sure everything's like snapped into place. You see, like that. 'Cause at first it looked like it was together and it clearly wasn't in place. This is the next part. I see why there's no manual, but people like me, clearly, as much as I think I don't need a manual, I guess I did. As you can hear, this one snapped as well. So just make sure all the pieces are snapped into place. I'm going to assume this goes next, but just in case, let me just pull out the manual. Since I'm doing it with you guys, I got to do it right. Okay, they do this part next. So you're going to put the part that has the toilet flusher in the front. Snap that right back into place. And number 2, the next part is going to be... What's strange is that this was already in place. I guess I didn't need batteries. So it includes AAA batteries, if someone was wondering. That is what it sounds like. Since this is a potty training toilet, there's obviously nothing at the top here to cover it. Because, you don't have any, it's not like an actual toilet. This part doesn't come off though. So just in case you're wondering, there's no piece that's going to go right there because it doesn't have to be, filled with anything. But so after we do that, we're going to go ahead. I guess it doesn't. Yeah, we insert this just like that. Just drop it in there. I don't think it snaps or anything. No, it goes the other way. So if you try it any other way, it won't fit anyways. But this is the last piece and this will be another snap piece. So you just go ahead and you put that in. I guess it's not a snap piece. This part doesn't snap into place. So it's very like lax and hopefully, our kids don't just go and pull it out and play around with it. But this does not lock into place or anything. If that's something that you're interested in knowing. So, you sit your child down to use it. And then when they're done, you lift this part up. You just place your hand back here so you don't touch whatever's in there. Hold it. Dispense or wash, whatever you want to do after you clean it out. Place it right back after it's dried up. Seat down and ready to go for the next one. So this is the Summer by Ingenuity My Size Potty Pro. You want to give your child practice when they're somewhere else or visiting someone or at somebody else's house to flush the toilet. So there you go. So you're teaching them proper restroom etiquette. This is the review video in total. Didn't have to run and get the batteries. Let me know down below what you use to potty train your child. Let me know what videos you want to see, any questions that you might have, and let's get into whatever videos we got to go with.